Hey guys, I am back and I'm going to show you a Cherokee. It's got a completely different layout and I'm excited to show you. It's got a the front bedroom. It's got a separate living room. It's got a separate kitchen. I absolutely love it. Plus, the space that you get in here is crazy. It's quite a bit of space. So let's go from the outside in. You guys let me know what you think. If you want any information, of course, you know my information is in the description, but let's go. Let's start. The 2024 Cherokee Limited. The model is 306mm. It has, let's see, I believe 3 slides. It's got a tankless water heater, so that's awesome. Yep, 3 slides, a long awning, 2 doors, an outdoor shower. You've got speakers out here. Let's see what we got in here. So you've got a fridge, a griddle, an ice maker, another outdoor shower, because there is one on the other side as well, which is really nice to have on both sides. You got your LP Quick Connect. I mean, this unit is amazing. I absolutely love it. I really, really do. And there's tons of windows as well. So you've got this long, beautiful window, which we're going to actually see on the inside. So let's go ahead and take a look. All right. So we have our living room area, which, look at the amount of space that you have and the beautiful windows all the way around. I love this. So you've got a couch here, a couch there, both of which turn into a bed, which is really nice. If you got grandkids or if you got kiddos coming, they don't normally stay in here, then this is a great place. Plus you've got your theater reclining seats, which is great. They are super comfortable. And then across you've got your fireplace. You've got some storage on each side. And you also have your TV if you'd like. Beautiful window right here. And these blinds actually do work. I really like these. They're super simple, super easy as well. I mean, just up and down, super easy. I know when I was growing up, blinds were not easy ever. So those are really nice. But the amount of space in here is just so nice. Right here, I love how big this window is. It does have this blind as well, but again, I love the window. It's really, really nice. You have a breakfast bar over here, which is great. But not only do you have a breakfast bar, you also still have your dinette, which again turns into a bed as well. You've got storage underneath, and then you have your kitchen over here, again with all this space. It's got so much room in here. So you've got a nice big sink, you've got a 3-burner, you've got your oven, you've got beautiful cabinetry up above. You got cabinets down below as well. You got a nice big fridge which opens up on both sides. I love these fridges, but plenty of space here. It opens up on that side as well. And then your freezer, which plenty of space in there as well. Now, that oven is a convection oven, so it's a microwave and oven at the same time, so you're not missing anything, that you have both. It's a air fryer. It's got a convection oven in it and then an air fryer. So a lot of people are changing their oven into that so that they can save room and not have to add in microwave. So it's really, really nice. You have a little pantry over here as well. And I said little, it is quite big. It goes back pretty far. But I love that you have that separate living room over there. It's so nice because you can still see the game. If you have a football game going on, they're in there, they're doing their thing. Maybe it's a whole bunch of people sitting watching the game, but somebody else can be in here, still see the TV, but do their thing in here as well. I love that option. Right down here, we've got our bathroom. So this is a huge shower. It also comes with a seat. Plenty of space here for you to do your thing. I mean, you're not going to bump your knees. A really big sink, which you don't really find that very often at all. And then you've got cabinets below and on top. Then down your hall, you've got your master bedroom. But look at the amount of space you have to walk. I love that. You're not crowded. You've got cabinets and more storage and places to hang up your clothes and everything all the way around. Plus, you have a door in your bedroom and you've got more space here. This is a washer and dryer prep right there. So it's going to be a combo, but you do have a lot of storage in this unit, which is great. I love when I see a lot of storage. But the amount of space in here is just awesome because you can walk easily on both sides. You can actually get dressed in here without bumping into each other. It's really nice to have that. All right, guys, what do y'all think of this unit? I would love to hear feedback. You can call, text, or email, whatever is best for you. My information is down below, but let me know what you think. I absolutely love the amount of space, the storage, the separation in here. But what do you guys think? All right, until next time, it opens.